Well, me and Big O Jack are stopped at a stoplight. He's hot. He said, "I'm hot, Daddy." We're headed to pick up some knives, some SHUNs, and I think the second set of knives is a gathering of knives. I don't know how many it's going to be, but some pocket knives, some K-bar knives, kitchen knives. I'm not really sure. Stand by. We're rolling. Well, we're on our way home with all the knives. We got a box of SHUNs, which is like a complete set of SHUNs, but it's only a box of 3. Chef's knife, a slicer, and a para, I think is what's in there. The big chef's knife has got a little chip off the tip, the tip's missing. And it and the big slicer are in horrible shape. Microchips everywhere. You won't believe it. But I've seen some that were worse. These are pretty close to the worst. But we'll do the Cali magic and they'll be okay. And the second stop, I got 6 Chicago cutlery steak knives out of the block. I got a KitchenAid Santoku. I got 2 big K-bars serrated at the back. One is drop point, the other is a Tonto. And then I got a bayonet. It looks like a, I don't know what kind of bayonet it is. Maybe M1, I'm not sure, but never been sharpened. The blade is kind of, you know, blunt, like just for sticking people. He wants it sharpened top and bottom. So that's it. I think I'm going to sharpen the SHUN knives today when I get home, because the lady wants them tomorrow. The other knives I'm going to wait on and sharpen on Wednesday after I pick up all those floral knives. See how that goes. Damn right, we're going 60 now. Look at my ears going. Yay! Big! See you later. See, the SHUNs come in a nice box. Here are the K-bars and the bayonet. Like I said, I'm not going to do these till tomorrow. Drop point, Tonto, bayonet, dull, both sides. I'm not sure what kind of bayonet it is, but I like it. It's pretty cool. I can't see any marks on it anywhere to give me an indication. 6 Chicago cutlery steak knives and a KitchenAid Santoku. Sharpen them tomorrow. The little SHUNs are done. Get ready to stick them back in the box. As you can clearly see, all the microchips are gone. The tip is back on. Go to sleep. Get back in there, baby. Okay. See you later. See you tomorrow. More knives. Floral knives. Steak knives. K-bars. Oh, baby. Oh. Carnivore. Big fat carnivore. What are you doing? Are you hungry? Say, yes, it's 5:45. I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat. Look at him feeding on that bad boy. The veterinarian said don't ever bring him back to the shop, ever. When we had him neutered, had his foot fixed. That's his hurt foot. If you remember when we caught him, his right foot was messed up. Something had been in a fight or something. But look at the claws on that thing. He got claws like I see on TV sometimes. Mmm.